Hello everyone. In today's video we're going to generate a new report using Priority Analytics. At the bottom left hand corner of our screen we'll click on the Priority Analytics button. We'll then go at the top left hand corner and click New. We'll select the form that we want to use. For this instance we'll use sales orders. We'll say we want a table. We'll give our report a new name. And add some fields. We'll then be able to select from any of the fields that's available on the sales orders form, and for this one we'll search for the customer number, customer name, and we'll then be able to scroll right to the bottom and start looking at the sublevels. We can then see our order items. We'll select the part numbers, part descriptions, and balance. We'll then click on Save. We can sort our grouping and the sort order. In this one we'll sort by part number and then by customer number. And we'll say the part numbers are the input. We'll click on Save. And then we can run the report. There we go.